No matter what the size of the load, you need a truck that delivers, that stays on the job mile after trouble-free mile. A truck designed for drivers to do their best. You need the new T880 from Kenworth. It's time to go to work. Built to exceed legendary Kenworth standards of quality, the T880 is tough enough to take on any job anywhere and come back for more. Stronger, more durable, more responsive, better able to meet the demands of the ever-changing workplace. Drivers have never had a better time on the job. Increased cab visibility provides a superior view of the surroundings, and enhanced steering geometry allows them to navigate tight spaces with greater ease and security. The T880 is built to deliver the load no matter where, from driveway to highway. Kenworth has been building the world's best work truck for the last 90 years, continually innovating and improving the product, earning ever greater owner loyalty, driver trust, and respect in the industry. Today, the focus is the same. The result, the T880, the most advanced Kenworth yet. From any angle, there's no mistake. It's a Kenworth. The one-piece stainless steel grille looks familiar, but so much is new from the bumper back. The T880 hood is lower, giving the driver a better view to the front. Because it's a 5-piece assembly, a damaged fender or grille can be replaced with less effort, in less time, and at a lower cost. The new headlights are designed to stand up in service and provide maximum lighting at the lowest cost because they use inexpensive replacement bulbs available at any automotive parts store. The T880 stamped aluminum cab is tight, quiet, and durable. Lightweight aluminum panels are securely joined using self-penetrating rivets for strength and reduced vibration and noise levels. Consistent construction quality produces enhanced fit and finish and tight tolerances. The stamped aluminum doors are structurally stiff, so they stay in place with a tight seal to better resist noise and weather. The heavy-duty hinges maintain alignment and dramatically reduce the effort to open and close the door, a feature drivers will like. They'll also like what Kenworth has done to improve their workplace, features to improve driver comfort and productivity. Hanging pedals result in better pedal feel and more unobstructed floor space. The throttle is easier to use, and the air-assisted hydraulic clutch requires much less effort to operate. The new Driver Performance Center features an easy-to-read display, giving drivers all the operating information they can use, plus diagnostic information and warnings. A touchscreen in the center of the dash gives drivers all that Nav Plus has to offer: navigation, entertainment, additional electronic gauges, communication screens, and more. Dash controls feature toggle switches that prove most popular with drivers, and there's a new HVAC module with automatic temperature control. The interior is also designed to give drivers the best possible view of their surroundings. The windshield is larger, the dash and hood slope down, and the pillars and mirrors provide less obstruction. The daylight doors open views to the side, and the large cowl-mounted mirrors give expanded visibility to the rear. And a convex look-down mirror on the passenger side helps eliminate a typical blind spot. All of these features, including the PACCAR MX engine and options like factory-installed lift axles, make the T880 a favorite for both drivers and operators alike. No matter what the size of the load, this truck is up to the task. Whether you're running a heavy hauler, a tanker, mixer, tractor, or dump truck, the T880 is the right business choice. designed to deliver the durability, dependability, productivity you need to succeed. You need the T880 from Kenworth, the world's best.